Alright, so I'm pretty excited about this. We finally got in the mail the KBVoodoo Max Modular TacoMax bed rack for the truck, so let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright, so that box was just the legs and mounting brackets and bolts and everything. It looks like we got bolts for the bars, the top bars and the side bars, but we didn't get them. Check the tracking, and it's supposed to come today. I don't know why they didn't come at the same time. Same company. So I guess we're gonna have to wait a little bit and get the rest. Alright, so 3 days later, I finally got the rest of the rack. All laid out, so I'm gonna start putting together. The instructions are a little vague. It kinda just says bolt it together and give some advice to do it on a flat surface upside down, so I think we'll just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got a nice tarp laid down so I don't scratch it up before I even get it on. And this is basically the crossbars and the top bars. And got them laid out where I want them. I'm going to go ahead and bolt them together. There are those holes there. I'm pretty sure there's a bag labeled, yeah, side bars and top bars. So we'll go ahead and get those put together now. Alright, so it's basically just a nylock washer and a nut with a washer on the inside. Got all those bolted in, and now I got one kind of started. We're gonna get the legs put on now. We'll get all 4 of those together, and then all that's left will be the side rails. Okay, so I've got all 4 legs on now. So next step will be the side rails. So we'll go ahead and use, I think we're on the carriage bolts now. So we'll go ahead and throw those on. And the last step will be to put on the mounting hardware, little brackets here. Alright, so we got the side rails on. Overall, this has been pretty straightforward. Just got these mounting brackets to put onto the ends of the legs, and then we'll be ready to slide in the mounting blocks in the rail system here, and we'll see how it fits up there. Alright, so we got all 4 of the brackets put on, and I've already, I don't know, it's kind of getting later outside, I'm getting bad lighting, but I got the blocks and the rail here, all 4 in. So all that's left is to lift this up and get it lined up. Alright, so got it up there. I highly recommend you have somebody help you lift it up, because this thing is pretty heavy. My wife was at the store, so I just made do. I didn't want to wait. I just want to get this done. You see it's pretty much in line with the cab. I haven't decided if I want it slid further up or if I want to keep it a little bit back. I'll have to play with it a little bit and see which one looks better. But yeah, I just got to pick a spot and then mount it up to those little blocks in there. Alright, also be careful with the little carriage bolts here. I actually sheared one in half, and I really didn't feel like I was torquing on it too hard. It was one for the it was one of these ones for the mounting bracket. Luckily, those ones came with quite a few extras, so I was good, but just so you know, it doesn't take too much to snap them in half.